Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.